Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to find the Pictures folder on your Mac. If you're having trouble locating your photos, I'll walk you through it step by step. Before we start, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps out the channel. Thanks guys. First, click on the Finder icon at the bottom left of your dock. On the left-hand side, under Favorites, you should normally see a shortcut to your Pictures folder. If it's not there, don't worry, you can add it. At the top left, click on Finder in the menu bar, then choose Settings. Go to the Sidebar tab, and from the list make sure Pictures is checked. As soon as you do this, the Pictures folder will appear in your Finder sidebar. Click on it, and you'll see your photo libraries, like Photo Booth or Photos, as well as any other images stored in that folder. Now, if you're still not finding the image you're looking for, you can use Finder's search. Just type something like JPG in the search bar. Then select this Mac to search your entire computer. For more advanced searching, click the plus button to add filters. Change the filter from name to kind, then select Image and set it to All. This will show every image file saved on your Mac. And that's it. That's how you quickly find your Pictures folder and locate images on your Mac. If this helped you out, hit the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more Mac tips and tricks.